Larosini saroni nongueika kedenga uasimida kengani nongutu.
Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bulavina and a very good afternoon to you all. It's wonderful to be here with all of you as the youth of this settlement. It starts a new and exciting chapter in their lives. I'm told that you all have been relocated from your original location. And I'm also told that your club was registered when you came here. I'm also told that there is 63 members in this club. And I want to thank and congratulate the members of the youth club for this initiative. Exciting times are ahead of us as we work as a team to empower and develop the youth of this wonderful nation and bring about new ideas. And one such program is the Youth Farm Initiative, whereby we provide grants to the youth clubs to cultivate land and grow crops. Fiji Fair's government is all about empowerment opportunities for our young people. It is a great cooperative venture because the Matangali or the organization, and here in this case, or in your case, is the church who has given the land to the youth club to farm. And the other party is the registered youth clubs, and the third party is the Ministry of Youth and Sports. So it's a partnership between the three, and once all the requirements are fulfilled by the respective youth clubs, you can access to the grants. Whatever we have brought in today to hand over was your request. Upon your request, we have brought this grant here this afternoon. But I want to assure all of you that this is not the end of this assistance. As and when, on your progress, if you will require further assistance, the assistant youth officer from North will come and inspect, will monitor, and on the basis of your success and the request, the ministry will come and assist you. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are proud that you, the young people, have chosen a new path. And on this path that you have chosen is also a way to earn income for yourself and for your families. This day and time will not come back. Whatever decision you have taken is a correct one. As I mentioned earlier on, that I was told that there are 63 registered members in your youth club. And the income that you will generate will not only assist you, but your families as well. The Youth Farm Initiative isn't just to benefit you as an individual. Why I'm saying this? Because when we decided or resolved to have this program, we knew at that time that this program will expand. Expand in the sense that the young ones will work hard to earn their living and their family as well. That was the whole idea at the beginning. And I want to tell all of you that since the inception of this program, there has been a lot of success stories. And we have seen how our youth throughout the country are engaging in farming. Ladies and gentlemen, we also want to prepare our youths by supporting their initiative and their hard work. Just last Thursday, we have advertised for a small-scale grant that will amount to $5,000. And I would like to urge your club, if you have a plan to start up a small-scale business, please get in touch with my assistant youth officers and make an application to the ministry. From that, you can expand your business. But to start, this is an opportunity. So make use of it. We must all be in this together. The local communities and the government as a whole. Together as a Fijian community, we support our young people and take pride all they can accomplish. Together, I believe we can do our best when we join forces like this, like our partnership that I have spoken about. And when we find ways to seize the new opportunities. That is exactly what we are doing this afternoon here. And that is what we must keep doing, no matter what. We have to work hard. And when I was told that there are 63 members in this club, I was very happy. Happy in the sense that the youths have come up, not for themselves only, but for the elders as well. And this is the other message that I used to give whenever I visit the youths, that gone are the times of our elders. It's our time now to give it back to them. So with this note, once again, congratulations, thank you, and all the